Are you interested in finding a way you can express your style and imprint your creativity on all your audio content? Meet Blackify, a text-to-speech automation platform in the cloud that lets you do things like narrate on YouTube, podcasts, audiobooks, and social media videos. You can create a whole bunch of features to make your experience as good as possible. It also lets you turn your content into any other type of audio file. As a result, Blackify helps all organizations save money without lowering their quality. This user-friendly web application allows you to make audio files of a good quality quickly, and it only takes a few minutes to do so. You can export the files as MP3s or WAV and choose from several sample rates. It is possible to adapt text into an exciting format that can be listened to on the run. You only need to download it once, and then you can embed it wherever there is room available, such as within another document. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a special deal starting at only $67, just by clicking on the description link below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.